exercise 10-2, and let's see the first question, question 10-1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle has been given as 24 centimeter, and the distance of that same point to the center of that circle has been given as 25 centimeter. And we have been asked what is the radius is. So let us see a quick diagram. Let us assume that there is a circle. The radius is unknown. And now we are taking a point from outside the region. So let's say this is the point and we draw a tangent. Now tangent is a line which will touch the circle only at one location, one spot, one point. And if you draw a line from the center to the point of tangency, which is this one, by the property of the tangent, these two lines will be at 90 degrees with each other. So this angle is 90 degrees. Now, if we connect that point directly to the center, that would be this third line. So basically we are getting a right angle triangle. And some distances are known. So for example, this 24 is the distance of that segment of the tangent is 24 centimeter, and the direct connection from that point outside to the center has been given as 25 centimeters. So can we calculate this distance? Yes, because let's assume that that distance is x, and this distance which I have shown as shaded, it is a 90 degree or right angle triangle. So we can use very well the Pythagoras theorem. So it's by the application of Pythagoras theorem, 24 square plus x square will be 25 square, because the sum of hypotenuse square is sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Now the common mistake students will do here is, instead of assuming this 90 degree, they will assume this as 90 degree. But that's incorrect, because number one, this is the longest side. So the angle opposite to the longest side will be always the biggest, and that would be the 90 degrees. So this 25 is actually hypotenuse, and 24 and x are the two sides making 90 degree. So having said that, let's use the Pythagoras theorem. X square plus 24 square is 25 square. 24 square is 576. I strongly recommend you recognize and memorize the square numbers up to at least 30. The first 1 to 30, if you remember the squares, that would be helpful in such problems. Square of 25 will be 625. Now we can take this 576 on the other side. It will become negative, and x square comes out to be 49. We take the square root of both sides, and the final answer, x, which is the radius of this circle, which is unknown, that would be square root of 49, or 7 centimeters. And that's your final answer.